Outside, Inside, written by LeUyen, Pham. Outside, Inside. Something strange happened on an unremarkable day just before the season changed. Everybody who was outside went inside. Everyone, everywhere, all over the world, including you, including me. Everyone just went inside, shut their doors, and waited. Well, almost everyone. Some people needed to be where they needed to be. So we needed our essential workers, right? Our healthcare workers, all the frontline workers to be out. Outside, the sky was quiet, but the wind still blew and birds kept singing. Raccoons came out and squirrels played in the streets, but the cars stayed away. The world felt a little different. Inside, we baked and cooked, made music and watched TV. We read and played games. Some of us worked a little. Some of us worked a lot. And some of us couldn't work at all. We all felt a little different. Did you experience this? Zoom school? Outside, there were fences, both real and pretend. Swings sat still and slides were lonely. Bells didn't ring and halls were empty. We had birthdays without parties, shared words without sounds, and reached each other without touching. The world was changing a tiny bit outside. So I want to focus on that. Birthdays without parties. Were you able to get together with your friends for your birthday? No. I know some people had birthdays where friends drove by and dropped things off. For my daughter's birthday, we had it all on Zoom. It was just me and my husband and my daughter, and everybody else joined the Zoom call. Shared words without sounds. How can you share words without sounds? We need sounds to talk, right? But we don't need sounds to write. So people wrote signs that says hope. We will get through this. BLM for Black Lives Matter. Signs for happy birthday. Oh, they're driving by right there to say happy birthday. And reached each other without touching. How could you reach someone else without touching? Waving, smiling, calling. The world was changing a tiny bit outside. Inside, we waited and we worried. We laughed and we cried and we tried to breathe. We made things together and did things alone. We hoped and prayed and wished. We were all changing a tiny bit inside. Outside, the world kept growing. Have you noticed this cat? I've seen the cat inside and outside. That cat's just doing whatever the cat wants to do. Reminds me of my cat. Inside, we kept growing too. Do you have one of these at home? A growth chart showing how tall you've gotten? So why did we all go inside? Well, do you know why we went inside? To take care of each other so that we didn't spread germs and get more people sick. There were lots of reasons, but mostly because everyone knew it was the right thing to do. To take care of everybody else. On the outside, we are all different. But on the inside, we are all the same. And we remembered that soon spring would come. Inside and outside. one day soon, hopefully, we'll be able to get together like that and give hugs. Outside, inside. What are some changes that you recognize in your own life, outside and inside?